Login failed on Crowdcube Fix. If your Crowdcube login keeps failing, don't panic, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're an investor or a founder checking your campaign, this problem happens more often than you might think. The good news? It's almost always fixable in a few quick steps. Let's start with the most common culprit, your internet connection. Crowdcube uses encrypted connections to protect your login data. If your Wi-Fi drops for even a moment, or if you're using a VPN, the system might block your login attempt. Disable your VPN, refresh your network and try again. Next, make sure you're using the official site, Crowdcube.com. Avoid old bookmarks or saved login links from emails, those can sometimes lead to expired or redirected pages. Always type the address manually or use a search engine to confirm you're on the correct page. If you're still getting the error, clear your browser cache and cookies. This step fixes a surprising number of login problems. Old session data can cause your browser to send outdated credentials or conflict with new security settings. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Now, if your password keeps failing, don't keep guessing, that can trigger a temporary lockout. Instead, click Forgot Password and reset it. Crowdcube's password rules are strict, so even a missing symbol or incorrect capitalization can cause an error. If none of that works, Crowdcube might be performing server maintenance. During updates, logins are sometimes temporarily disabled. Wait about 15 minutes and retry. Once you're back in, take a moment to enable two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of protection and helps prevent access issues in the future. So, next time you see login failed on Crowdcube, remember it's rarely a major problem. With a few small adjustments like clearing cache, checking your connection, or resetting your password, you'll be back to managing your investments in just minutes.